Are you tired of looking in the mirror and seeing those pesky blackheads staring back at you? Do they seem impossible to get rid of, no matter what you try? Forget those pricey products promising miraculous results. You know, the ones that drain your wallet and often leave you disappointed. The solution to clearer, smoother skin is probably already waiting for you in your fridge. Yes, you heard that right. The secret weapon? Simple, humble egg whites. This simple, natural DIY peel, made with just one ingredient, is a game changer for your skin. It gently but effectively pulls out impurities from deep within your pores and leaves your skin feeling incredibly smooth and refreshed. You'll notice the difference immediately. Egg whites are packed with proteins, which are essential for healthy, vibrant skin. These proteins work to tighten skin, reducing the appearance of pores and fine lines. They also have a unique ability to cling to dirt, excess oil, and those pesky dead skin cells that clog pores and lead to breakouts. As you gently peel off the mask, you're not just removing a dried layer. It lifts out blackheads gently, pulling them away from your skin without irritation. And the best part? No harsh chemicals needed. It's a completely natural solution. It's a quick, affordable way to achieve a clearer complexion. This egg white mask helps to deep clean pores, leaving them feeling refreshed and unclogged. So skip the expensive spa treatments and treat yourself to a mini spa day at home. Ready to try it and experience the magic of egg whites for yourself? Let's get started and unlock the kitchen secret to clearer skin. Before we dive into the application process, let's gather all the necessary tools and ingredients. This will ensure a seamless and enjoyable experience. First and foremost, you'll need 1 fresh egg. Next, grab some single-ply tissue. You'll also need a small bowl, preferably glass or ceramic, to mix our ingredients. And finally, a clean brush. A foundation brush or a mask applicator brush will work perfectly. Now, let's prepare the tissue. Separate the tissue into thin sheets. This is crucial for the mask to adhere properly and allow for easy removal later on. These thin layers are ideal because they mold to your skin and dry fast, which is essential for the best peel and optimal results. The thinner the layer, the better the mask will conform to the contours of your face. When it comes to applying the mask, you can use a clean brush or your fingers to apply, whichever you prefer. But before you do anything, make sure your hands are washed thoroughly with soap and water. Hygiene is key to preventing any unwanted breakouts or skin irritations. The foundation for any good face mask is a clean face, so wash with a gentle cleanser to remove any makeup, dirt, or oil, and then pat dry with a soft, clean towel. For extra pore opening power, which will allow the egg white to penetrate deeper and work its magic, steam your face over a bowl of hot water or use a warm cloth compress for a few minutes. This will help to soften your skin and open up your pores. Now, arrange all your supplies neatly within reach. This will ensure a smooth, spa-like experience and prevent any frantic searching mid-mask. With everything prepped and ready, we can now move on to the exciting part. Let's mix it up and create our amazing egg white face mask. All right, let's dive into the step-by-step application of this fantastic egg white mask. First things first, we need to prepare our key ingredient. Crack your egg carefully and meticulously separate the white from the yolk. We're only interested in the egg white for this particular beauty treatment. Ensure no yolk contaminates the white, as this could affect the mask's efficacy. Now take that separated egg white and lightly beat it until smooth. You don't need to whip it into a frenzy. Just a gentle whisking will do. We're aiming for a consistent, slightly frothy texture. Grab a clean makeup brush, preferably one you dedicate solely to skincare applications. Dip it into the smooth egg white and prepare to paint your face. Using your brush, paint a thin, even layer of egg white over blackhead-prone areas, typically the nose, chin, and forehead. These zones tend to be oilier, making them prime targets for this mask. Feel free to extend the application to wherever you feel you need a little pore refining magic. Just remember to be precise and avoid sensitive areas. A crucial step. Avoid eyebrows and the delicate skin around your eyes. The egg white can be quite drying, and we don't want to irritate those areas. Now for the tissue layer. Gently press a single-ply tissue onto the wet egg white, ensuring it adheres smoothly to your skin. Take your time smoothing it to perfectly fit the contours of your face, eliminating any air pockets or wrinkles. A snug fit is key for optimal results. Once the tissue is in place, brush another layer of egg white generously over the tissue, ensuring it's completely saturated. The goal here is to fully saturate it, creating a solidifying mask that will work its magic on your pores. For a stronger, more intense mask, especially if you have stubborn blackheads, add a second tissue layer, repeating the smoothing process. And of course, follow up with more egg white to thoroughly saturate that second layer. The more saturation, the better the pore cleansing power. Now comes the hardest part. Sit back, relax, and let it dry completely. This might take anywhere from 15 to 30 minutes, depending on the humidity and thickness of your mask. During this drying time, it's crucial to maintain a still face. No talking, no smiling, no exaggerated expressions. Any movement can disrupt the mask and hinder its effectiveness. Patience is key. Wait 20-30 minutes until the mask is stiff and tight. Once dry, gently peel from the edges upward. Slow and steady wins the race. You'll feel a light tug as the mask lifts out blackheads and debris. Check the strip. You'll see the gunk it pulled out. Your skin should feel smoother and look clearer right away. Some redness is normal and fades quickly. Enjoy the satisfaction of a deep clean. Now let's soothe your skin. Rinse your face with cool water to remove residue and calm your skin. Gently pat dry, don't rub. Apply an alcohol-free toner to tighten pores and restore balance. Follow with a lightweight, non-comedogenic moisturizer to hydrate and protect. This locks in moisture and keeps your skin barrier strong. Use this egg white peel weekly for best results. Try it out and let us know how it works for you.